Today we're out to Rongram for servicing our Aprilia scooty. We are coming through this way from Samanda, Bansam Awe, Bansamgre, Rongsak, Rongbang till Asanang and then Rongram. We'll be showing all through the way the road conditions. 90% of the road is good now. Wow, look at those clouds and the greeneries. Beautiful, beautiful. And the Simsang River is just below this road, and then in many beautiful hills. Lovely. We're about to reach Bansamgre, guys. Wow, the day is beautiful, lovely and bright. Hello, madam. Don't sleep, madam. Don't sleep. This is Rongbang. We are approaching Rongbang. Down there, if you can see to the left, there's Rongbang Tare waterfalls. That one. Here's a small bazaar. We usually stop here and have some tea and snacks. This hill to the left is very unique. It's just like a pyramid. I usually observe it every time. There are a few of such type of bridges, two ways.